Uh, Hi guys, this is Degenerate724 here. About to do a really good, really quick unboxing for y'all. Today I got the LG Intuition, the new phone from Verizon. Haven't seen any videos on it yet, so I want to do an unboxing for y'all and see if you like it. So I've seen it on the internet and stuff, and they look pretty good. But before we get into this, I'm gonna just a little warning. Please do not post any bad comments or any negativity, because I'll delete them and I'll block you. So I know I'm not the best recorder or video person or whatever, but just enjoy the unboxing. Alright, here we go. It's a big box, by the way. So you're enjoying it with me. So I'm doing it with one hand, so bear with me. If I shake around, sorry about that. This is I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S3 to record this. You get your plastic bag, 4G LTE SIM card. I'm not sure what kind of card this is, but I'll check it out for you. Ugh. So I'm just using one hand. Micro SIM. Alright. And you get the normal, my goodness, guides and stuff. It's in 2 boxes. It's like one of the magic tricks. Yeah, guides and stuff. So I get 2 boxes with this. Let's put that on the ground right now. Alright, I'm gonna put y'all down for a minute, okay? You're gonna see some darkness. So I'm not the best recorder, but just doing an unboxing is all I'm doing. Alright. Wow. Let's see. Oh, I forgot about the unique Bluetooth set or whatever. Ooh, nice black box. Verizon. Focus. LG. Intuition. Pen, stickers, all good stuff. My goodness. I want to put you down for a minute again. Sorry. Alright, there we go. Here we are. Ooh, my goodness. This thing is massive. This thing is freaking massive. Holy crackamole. This thing is massive. But it feels good in the back. Got some side stickers and stuff there. Man, oh man. This thing is wire as hell. Whew. What else you get in this thing? Quick start guide, I guess. Some NFC stickers I'm not gonna use. I don't use the NFC crap. Pen, USB adapter, USB cable. And I think that's it. Yep. So I will do a review later on. Maybe tonight or tomorrow whenever I get my phone set up. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you later. Peace.